Welcome back to from 5.7 angles and polygons. So, if you tear off the corners of a triangle, okay, that's a triangle shape. Tear off the corners, okay, and put them together. You'll find that they will form a straight angle, okay, and a straight line that we've got, it will measure a 180. So that's why we say that the sum of the measures of a triangle, it will be 180. So you can also prove that mathematically. Okay, the angles of a triangle, as you can see from this here, from this example, in order to answer the question for the missing angle here, that x, the shape is a triangle. So what do? We say that 25 plus x plus 37 equals to 180 always. That's the sum of a triangle. You add up 37 with 25, we get a number. Okay, after we add up those two numbers, directly shoot to the other side, subtract from the 180, which is 62. Okay, when you subtract it from the 180, you will get 118. So subtracted, you will get 118. That's the missing angle. Okay, let's solve another question here. Let's say we've got question 3. So many students, they will be like, but Miss, in question 3, it's not given. Only one number is given, one angle. What about the other two? So that's x. I have to find it. I don't know what is it. That square, we've studied this. That's a right angle. That means it's measuring 90 degrees. So this is already given. 35 is also given. What do? Add them up, equals to 180. Okay, dears. 90 plus 35. When I add them up, I will get how much? 125. Okay. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 9 plus 3 is 12. When I subtract them, I start subtracting them. Okay, dears. 10, I'll get 10 here and 7 here. And 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is how much? Yes, it's 55. So the missing variable here, it's 55. The angle that was missing is 55. Okay, dears. In order to answer question 4, 5, 6, okay, we can go back to the diagonal and study what is a diagonal. So a diagonal, please focus with me very well. A diagonal, okay, of a polygon is a segment that's drawn from one vertex to another, and it's not one of the sides of the polygon. So dear students, as you can see, those black dots, these are called vertexes, okay? The black dots here, they are called vertexes. Whenever I take any vertex, let's say I took that vertex here, okay? The green one, the highlighted green one, okay? The ones beside it are called sides. I can never take the sides with me, okay? Because their names is called side, okay? So this side, I don't take this side. What do I do then? I've got 1, 2, okay, 2 other vertices left. So I will draw a straight segment from the black or the green one that I highlighted to the other 2 parts. Those 2, they are called diagonals, okay? So the yellow ones are called what? Diagonals. Now, my work is not with a diagonal. I'm using the diagonal to make triangles, to create triangles, to draw triangles. I start counting how many triangles I've got. So here the first one triangle, 2 triangles, and 3 triangles, okay? So 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 triangles. We already said that the sum of a triangle is 180. So what do in here is that we say 3 times 180. We start multiplying 3 with the 180. And when I do this, I will get how much? I'll get the sum of this shape, which is a pentagon. The sum of it, it will be exactly 540. So the sum of the angle measures of this polygon, it's how much? It's 540. 40. Let's solve another question. Let's solve question number 6 by doing it step by step. So the first step is that I will make sure that I have got the vertices. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've got 4 vertices. The second step is that I will take any vertex I want. Let's say I'm going to take that vertex here. Whenever I select the vertex that I'm going to take, the ones beside it that are called sides, I will cross them out. So those 2 vertices here, I won't need them anymore. Now, when I ask how many vertices left, there's only 1 vertex that I can connect it with it. So I'm going to make a diagonal with it. Now, how many triangles are created from this? 1, 2. So directly I will say 2 times the sum of a triangle, which is 180. And dear students, when I multiply them, I say 2 times 0 is 0. If you don't know this way, try to do the long way here. Okay? 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So the sum of the angles of that shape, which is a rectangle, okay, the angles here, those 4, it's how much? It's exactly 360.